Hello everybody, welcome to Thursday. A really good day today. Lots of green on my charts. The markets were quite strong as a whole. S&P 500 was up 0.5% for the day. Really good. We've had a lot of good days in a row here. We kind of came out of that low last week and we've been just moving forward on a pretty consistent basis. We got down to that major support level and buying came in, and we've just continued to see that buying come in. But I'm even more excited today about the targeted indexes that we have continue to outperform the S&P 500, again led by clean energy, which were up over 3% today. But innovative technology was also over 3%, and then semiconductors and software were in that 2% range. And so really, those are big differences over 0.5% on the S&P 500. Of course, one of the problems the S&P 500 has, and one of the reasons why we're not so much invested in it as we used to be, is because there's big chunks of companies in there that are struggling. And so a company that needs face-to-face interaction in order to operate is obviously, going to have probably a lower chance of having great revenues and earnings in this environment with the pandemic, of course. And those companies that don't require that face-to-face connection are able to continue to operate at a pretty good level. And again, another subset has actually been enhanced by the pandemic. Zoom, I've met with a lot of you on Zoom for our review appointments. Just an amazing thing that's happened to them. Right company in the right time. DocuSign that does the document transfer, really, really big time area right now too. So DocuSign was up a lot today also. So there seems to be a realization that, the government can't just continue to put out money. They can't agree sometimes to put out the money. And so those companies that are kind of the reopening stocks that need that face-to-face are going to have some trouble. And so we're seeing some big layoffs that are coming through from airlines, Disney, and those types of things. And these other companies are really one of the only places to go. So again, you lower interest rates and all these things come back, and we're in the right spot. It doesn't always stay that way. We had a pretty bad beginning of the month in September, but it started to come back, and it's still going here in October. So we're in the right place. I feel very strongly about that, actually. That could change, and we'll change with it, and we'll get more broad when we can, and we'll move into different areas as they work, and we'll try to continue that. But really, I feel like things are going very, very well for us. So I will look and see what's going to happen tomorrow, and I'll let you talk to you about that then. Thank you.